Class 66 coming. What? Oh my god! Holy cow! Surely there'll be another train coming. But put in the comments what train it is, because I'm not sure what it is. Some sort of test train or something. Holy cow. And there's another one coming. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I wondered if that hurt your eardrums too. In real life it's much louder and more. Last carriages. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and put all notifications on. Let's try to hit 60 subscribers by the end of, how about this week? No, that's too harsh. How about the end of the year? Try to reach 60 subscribers. So everyone subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, put all notifications on. Thanks for watching.